2x plus 6 equals 12. 3. Crust. Outside layer of the earth. Coldest layer. Core. Center of the earth. Hottest layer. 2 plus 2. 7. 2 plus 2. 7. Hey.
What?
2 plus 2 is 7?
I didn't make that one. That's gotta be wrong.
I am sick of making flashcards.
These test grades are horrible. I wonder what they studied. Let's see. Katie's. 2 plus 2 is 7. Deborah. Pangea, where Superman's from. What is this? I wish my students were studying the right stuff. This is ridiculous.
There has to be a better way. I'm ready to review for my test. Let's look at some flashcards. All right, the front, 2 plus 2 is 4. All right. The back. Okay, next one, crust. Great picture. Outside layer of the earth. It's the coldest layer. I think I got it. Texas State flower. Blue bonnet. Oh, that was an easy one. Let's study them. All right, Texas State flower. Oh, I remember that one. That's the blue bonnet. Let me check. Yes, I got it right. 2 plus 2, 4. I remember that one. The crust. That was the middle layer of the earth. It's the hottest layer. That's right, I remember that one. Oh, I'm going to have to go back and work on that one. All right.
It's really quite easy to create a deck of flashcards. All we do is we click on create and then we need to give it a title. So this is going to be some basic subtraction. And I can put a description in there if I want to. Then I can choose categories. I can choose as many as I'd like. I'm just going to choose math. And I'm going to go ahead and make this deck publicly available so anybody can study. Over here on the right, I'm going to type in my question. So my first question is going to be 5 minus 1 equals, and I'm going to type my answer in over here, and that's going to equal 4. Notice that there's a little volume speaker button. I could add audio if I wanted to, or I could go ahead and add an image if I thought that would help me out. If I continue typing in facts, so maybe 6 minus 2, oops, that same answer is 4, that's amazing. Or another answer, 10 minus 5. Notice as soon as I added a third question, it automatically created a fourth question for me. So as I continue to add questions, it will continue to add questions for me. Once I'm done, I'm going to just hit finish. It's going to save my deck, and I can easily either create another one or I can study it. And when I study it, that's when it pops up with either the review, where you see both your question and your answer, or I can go to study, where I can actually flip them over, test myself, and use that check to say that I've got it, or the X to say that I got it wrong. And that's as simple as it is to use flashcards.